truck racing.
Hey, what's up, friends? Welcome back. Today we're headed to St. Thomas Dragway, a small drag strip located in southwestern Ontario, Canada. Today's event is held by 519 Prostreet. It's called the Blue Collar Race. It's $1 to buy in, $2,000 to win for small tire. So we're heading on up to see what we can do on small tires again. As we head into the track here, let's see what's going on. So as I'm sure you've seen in our previous video, we tried running the True Street class at OSO and ended up lighting the tires on fire. So today we're back on regular small tire slicks. For today's event, we decided to go with the Mickey Thompson low prep tires. So we're gonna try these out and see how it goes.
I have no electronics. My car is old school, battery, carburetor. Oh, I got a modern carburetor on my car though. Are we on TV?
Yes.
Oh my God.
So now everyone will know all the bullshit you're spewing right now.
Got him!
Well, we've arrived. We're here at St. Thomas Dragway. We're at the back of the shutdown area here of the regular quarter-mile track. Today's surface is a decent asphalt. I mean, we've raced here before. It's a much smoother asphalt. It seems to come around quickly. Here's an idea. So unlike OSO, which was more of a rock chip, this is a more refined finished asphalt surface. So I have a feeling after first round, we're gonna start to see some passes. Let's go for a little drive up here now. Well, as you can see, the 60-foot looks very good. Looks like a couple guys have been testing here maybe earlier. So the left lane looks a little bit better. It's been run out a little bit further, but both of the starting areas looks like the 60 will get down. So we're gonna have to go back to the trailer here and reassess the tune a little bit and see what we can do.
I just don't want to see anything happen.
other things leaking on this thing.
Like imagine you go up to a line and they're like, oh, you got a drip, shut the fuck down.
You didn't say anything about the puddle that's in the middle of our lane.
What puddle?
Puddle of oil from Romano.
I think all the rubber all the way down counter-reacts that.
I hope so. Or else I'm going to say Trevor was cheating because his lane was dry.
Oh fuck, here we go. Well, that's alright, I'll take over.
If Trevor wins, I'm contesting right away.
That's okay.
Right away.
Everything. The jump,
Everything.
the finish, and the middle.
Crossing, spraying his tires.
And then Alex is gonna buy us steaks with the money.
Everything. That's it. I'm calling everything.
Jackass! Why don't you shut the hell up?
We just got back from our pass against Trevor. We had no data, sadly. I was trying to figure out what the problem was, so we went for our pass in Outlaw. We were running Outlaw class as well today. We raced the local Polo here. And I thought it might have been something to do with the dump valves that we put on the transmission, so I shut the dump valves off for our pass against Paulo, and everything went smoothly and perfect. So I think there's a wiring issue or something, or the dump valves aren't closing in time. But our first pass, we were definitely blowing through the converter, which to me feels like the dump valves were fully open and it was just way too soft. So we're gonna leave the dump valves off today, and we are gonna enter our second chance race now. We won an Outlaw, got this cool little trophy. Only had to race Paulo one time. We won a clean, let me count this out, $300. $150 was mine. Won back the 100 from Paulo at OSO last weekend. So we're up 50. Then we subtract the 120 in diesel it took to get here. $50 in race gas, 800 in tires, and 3 years of my life stressing about a torque converter. We're definitely up this weekend. This is a giant win for Team Sinister.
The highlight.
And now we're going back into second chance race.
Money, bitchy, 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 money, 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 bitches. That's what I do every weekend. Money, bitches.
All right, we made it through first round, second chance, put a good tune-up in it, ended up beating Mike Batista's Mustang, and we're moving on to the next round. We got Paulo in his Camaro again. I think he's turned it up now and added a bunch more nitrous.
I need NOS. I need NOS.
No.
My car topped out at 140 miles per hour this morning.
Amateurs don't use nitrous oxide. I've seen the way you drive. You got a heavy foot. You'll blow yourself to pieces.
I need one of these. One of the big ones. Actually, know, let's make it to an area I need it by tonight.
So, should be a good bout. So we're gonna put a new tune-up in the car and then get back at it.
It's been pretty good. Chop truck V2. The first race was not good. Obviously there was some issues, but looks like Mike Stout did because it's laying down. It's looking up.
All right, we're in the final. It's the second round small tire. We're racing Paulo again. We're gonna see what happens. I know he turned his car way up, so he definitely wasn't happy about that first loss he took in Outlaw. So I'm sure now he's gonna be on me on this pass. So make a hit, see what happens.
So much you may even get tired of winning and you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning, we can't take it anymore, Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're gonna win more.
Took that small tire second chance race win. That was a good race for sure. Oh, truck's getting hot.
Well, we finally did it. We won the Outlaw class, we won the small tire second chance race, and we had a great day of racing. It was great to be back in the winner's circle for once, and to see some of your hard-earned work finally paid off. So we'll keep chipping away at this, because we ain't going nowhere. Sinister Performance is here to stay.